Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all text correction options on this device. Firstly, you need to access Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System and Update. From here, you need to select Languages and Input. Tap on Current Keyboard. Make sure that Gboard is on, and then choose On-Screen Keyboard. Now select Gboard from here. After that, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are located over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!